shit. Here we go. I'm out here. Nowhere pretty much. Still a bit sick. I'm tired of waiting to make this video. So here we are. Short story. A few years back, when I was normal like everyone else, before all this social media, I worked for 1 year to buy a car. M235i or E92 M3. And one of my friends told me that I should get the 2 Series. More reliable, more dated, good performance, economical, good value for money. And I did just that. As you saw my red 2 Series, which I don't have anymore. The whole 3 years I had the 2 Series, I was thinking about this car. Here we go. My brand new car. The cheapest E92 M3 in UK. Ta-da! God damn. This thing looks good, doesn't it? It's soon gonna be like 20 years old car, but just look at it. It looks like proper real thing. Proper AM car. Not your AM light shitbox. Is the real deal. Parked up in the most random location, but it actually looks sick here. And now it's like after 9 p.m. and I was like, bro, is it too late for me to film this? And I'm like, nah. It's the perfect time of the day to make this video, actually. I love this thing. Also, look what I just bought. A GoPro. That means we're gonna see some POV driving. I already owned it for over a month now. I'm not sure why I didn't make any videos sooner. I just... I guess I was just enjoying it, honestly. I already changed the wheels. As you can see, they look incredible. There are some cheap reps, not the real deal, the TE37s or whatever. So those are like 4K, and these ones were just like 400 or 500 from Facebook Marketplace with tires, linglongs, ping pongs, but they work. We're gonna destroy them tires anyways. I think I need a lower profile in the rear because it looks a bit high compared to the front. Yeah, change the wheels. What else? Lowering springs, FK Automotive. Usually people go with H&R, but I was told they are pretty crashy, if that makes sense, over bumps. So FK Automotive, cheaper and less crashy. And it sits just perfect in my opinion. What do you think? The rear is perfect. Maybe the front, I don't even know. It doesn't rub or anything. Check this out. I think it's perfect. I don't know. What do y'all think? Oh shit, someone's playing GTA. I have seen it, this one, on Marketplace for a few weeks, but it really looked like shit. All it took was just to unrice it. It had the black badges on the wheels everywhere. It just, you don't do that to E92 M3. It's just too rice. Even on any BMW, like it's outdated. People don't do that anymore. The tail lights were tinted black. I mean, come on. Just things like that. I think that's the reason why nobody bought it. It had all the preventative maintenance done to it, like rod bearings, throttle actuators, all that nonsense. So it should be good to go. I might change the rod bearings as well. Probably won't. Should we go for a drive? Let's test out the GoPro. Because why not? There's one thing with a E92 M3, the fucking oil temp takes hours to warm up. I have no clue how the audio on the video is gonna be, because this is the first time using the GoPro. I actually just bought it today. first part of the test now. This is a cool feature. It lets you know what RPM you can go up to if the engine's cold. Like right now it's 7.5, but usually you should never go above 2k RPM if it's not up to temp. So I played with the GoPro angle a bit, and I think it should be a bit better now. Let's try somewhere here. Yeah, I like the downshifts. Oh, I love this thing. Alright, let's do a little pull with traction off. Oh shit.